overcoming procrastination. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So real kind of different video today, layout and everything, just trying something new. Alright, so procrastination. If you're watching this, you're like me and you've struggled with it forever. Alright, it's not actually laziness. You're not lazy. You're actually a perfectionist. So that's where you need to attack. So I've even talked about you just need to go ahead and get started. Well, it's actually the step before this. You need to have a realization that it is never going to be perfect. So when you attack that, it will become easier to just go and start. There's a Discord link down below. I'm wondering if we even need to make a channel over there for perfectionism and things that we're doing to overcome them. So once you really attack the problem, it's not lazy, it's not getting started, it's actually this obsession with it's not perfect, I'm not ready yet. Well, you have to hug that and you have to love that and realize and overcome that it will never be perfect. So just start. All right. Please make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, video requests. Please make sure you're joining the Discord server down below so you're not alone, so you can get the help that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.